Napakaganda ng mensahe ni Pastor Joel dahil dito natin maalaala na tayo ay ang pinaka-ibig ng Diyos. Tayo ay Kanyang ginawa ayon sa Kanyang imahe. Kaya mahal na mahal tayo ng Diyos bilang Ama at bilang Hari natin. Kaya ating panuorin ang mensahe niya.
You may have been through things that weren't fair. Thoughts whisper, you're not worthy either. Nobody even cares about you. Can I tell you, the King is looking for you. God sent me to knock on your door to let you know He's not going to leave you there. That environment did not change your value. You are still royalty. They dropped you, but it didn't lessen your worth. You are still a masterpiece. You are still destined to do great things.